So today we're going to check out one of my client accounts. I just got them set up with an automated booking system. And lo and behold, we had a lead come in where the sales reps were busy. They were not able to call the lead back right away. So the AI stepped in. It was able to answer the prospect's questions and get them a calendar booking. This setup can be used for any business getting leads online. They're using Zillow and some other lead vendors, but you can even use this with Facebook or Google Ads if you want. First, I'll show you the lead flow because they're running an AI plus live sales rep model, which I always recommend. Then we'll take a look at the conversations. You can see exactly what the AI said. Then I'll show you the actual automations on the back end that we set up so you guys can set this up for yourselves or your clients. All right, so they're essentially running two sets of automations at the same time. So when a new lead comes in, there's an internal set of notifications that will notify the sales team. It will call them. We're going to take a look at that. It will tell them who the lead is and then call the lead so they can connect. That way the sales reps don't have to look in the CRM or try to find the phone number or anything like that. Then if their first rep doesn't answer, it hits a team pool, so everybody gets a shot at calling the lead. At the same time, in parallel to that, there's external notifications going to the lead, text messaging and whatnot to get them to book a call. And also this is where the AI will then interact with them if they reply back. And that's what happened in this case. All right, so I zoomed in here so we can protect some of my client's information, but basically the lead responded to the automated text that went out. We're going to see those in a minute. And so it says, sure, I was curious about the zero closing cost loans. Answered the question, great question. Zero closing cost VA loans are possible. And it says here, would you like the booking link to get started? They said, sure. So it says, I'm going to send you a secure application link now, but then the lead fired back. And this is where a lot of times AI messes up. They sent 3 messages all at the same time. There was a yes, which was replying to this. And there was like another question piled in there. So it read all that and then came back, said, yep, I'm with this mortgage company. We work with over 200 lenders to find you the best VA loan options and lowest closing costs ready for the application link. All right, so this is happening, guys, while the sales reps are on the phone with other leads. And this lead came in. It would have otherwise been sitting until someone could get back to them. Who knows how long that could have been. But now we were able to capture this lead. So here are the automations. They have a webhook that comes in. We create a new contact in the system with that webhook data. And then we add a tag so we know what the source of the lead was. We then temporarily assign it to the lead sales rep. And then we send an email notification to that rep as well as an SMS and an internal notification on the platform as well as their mobile app. Then the system automatically calls them, says hello, their first name, and then the lead's name, has requested a free rate update. Please press any key to call them now. So at this point, all they do literally, the lead comes in, CRM calls them, they answer the phone, they press a button, and it calls the lead right away. If they don't answer the call, say that they missed the call, we unassign that rep, and then the lead goes to the lead pool. So essentially, everyone gets a notification that the lead came in, and the system then calls the lead pool. This was the flow that the client wanted. So that is the internal notification side of things that happens immediately when a new lead comes in. Let's take a look now at the external notification side of things. So this is essentially now the pre-contact nurture. So this is what fires until some type of contact is made, and then the lead will automatically come out of this because we don't want to be sending things like, hey, trying to get a hold of you or whatever after we've already talked to them, obviously. So there's a condition here that brings a lead down this side if they haven't been contacted. Here's one of the text messages that go out. Hey, we saw your inquiry, right? So when this text message goes out, if they reply to this text, that's when the AI will step in automatically and go ahead and qualify them and book the call. It's like an infinite available sales team. And it's going to wait 3 hours and send them down through a nurture sequence. It's got emails, it's got text messaging all through there, right? Once contact is made, then that lead will come through here again, and they'll automatically get removed from this workflow. At that point, the sales team pretty much takes it from there. I've been using this software for years in my agency. If you want to set this up for your business or your clients, there's a 30-day free trial link in the description. You can check that out. If you want to learn more about how to automate lead gen or follow up for your business or your clients, watch this video right here.